Callie. What's your name?
Her name is Callie.
Her name is Callie, and I'm going to style her hair today, so stay tuned. So just like every style, I like to make sure that I begin by making my parts. The majority of the focus on this hairstyle will be her crown area, so I'm just starting by parting that section off. Now, as you guys can see, I am doing more of a rectangle shape on the crown of her hair, making sure the parts are straight. Once I have her hair sectioned off, I am just going to put that section up in a bun and work with the rest of her hair. The one product I will be using for Callie's hair is the Kids Curling Buttercream by Shea Moisture. The consistency is thick and creamy. Now I have two daughters and they both have two different hair textures, but their hair soaks this product all up. So for Callie's hair, I'm just adding some product, and I'm definitely going to go in by adding some water to her hair and then brushing it back into a nice sleek ponytail. So now it's time to work on the crown section of her hair. All I'm doing is just making another part, and if you want to think about it this way, I'm just kind of creating an outline. So the part looks just like this, and I'm securing it until it's time to work with it later. Now I'm definitely speeding by this section because all I'm doing is just braiding her hair. You guys will see the finished look in a second. Now I do have a how-to braid video on my channel, so I'll leave that link in the description box. Okay guys, so this is how I parted her hair in the middle of her crown. So I just made 4 parts going across horizontally, and I secured each part with a rubber band. After that, all I did was I braided her hair straight back, and this is what it looks like. Now again, if you watch my how-to braid video, you will have a better look and idea of how I braided. So all I'm doing now is just taking all of the hair and securing it in a ponytail. As you guys can see, it looks nice and neat already. What I will also do after slicking her hair back with a brush, of course, is detangle her ponytail with a wide tooth comb just to make sure there aren't any tangles in it. Now, I broke her ponytail into 2 sections, and I just did a 2-strand twist. It wasn't nothing complicated at all. 2-strand twisting both ponytails gives it a nice little look, especially if you're putting it in a bun. As you guys can see, she was watching her tablet and got super excited. This is what her bun looks like, and the last step is just brushing down her baby hairs. Now all I'm using is the same buttercream from Shea Moisture. I find it that it slicks her hairs down really nicely, and it doesn't have much hold, but she's a kid, so her hair will eventually get messed up. Okay, so now I will show you guys a side-by-side and a top view of what her hair looks like. Look at that cute smile. Okay, so I will grab a pink bow just to put it right on top of her bun. I think this will just be something to make her hair pop. Now you can add any different color bow, any type of bow, but this is just what I chose.
Thank you for watching. See you